Next topic, Euclid division lemma, page number 3. Statement is, if a and b be two given positive integers such that a greater than b, then there exist unique integers q and r such that a equal to b into q plus r. 0 less than or equal to r less than b. It is known as Euclid division lemma. Consider an example of division of a positive integer by positive integer. Okay, let a equal to 24 and b is equal to 6. Okay, a is 24 and b is 6. That is a greater than b, 24 greater than 6. Okay, first line is, if a and b be two given positive integers such that a greater than b. Okay, a equal to 24 and b equal to 6. A is greater than b. Next step, divide a by b. That is 24 divided by 6. 6 fours are 24, remainder 0. Then 24 you can write it as 24 dividend equal to divisor 6 into 4 plus remainder 0. Now consider the statement, if a and b be two given positive integers such that a greater than b. Here we take a equal to 24 and b is equal to 6 such that 24 greater than 6, isn't it? Now that is a greater than second part. B. Then there exist unique integers q and r such that a is equal to b into q plus r. When we divide 24 by 6, we will get quotient equal to 4 and remainder is equal to 0, isn't it now? And a is equal to, that is a is 24. 24 is equal to b into q. b is 6, divisor into q, quotient 6 into 4 plus r, that is plus remainder plus 0. Here b is equal to 6. So as per Euclid division lemma, value of r should be 0 less than or equal to r less than b is 6. 6, that is r is equal to 0 less than or equal, isn't it now? So 0 is included. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 less than 6. So less than 6 up to 5. It is known as Euclid division lemma. Next we can prove this condition. That is, if b is equal to 6, then the value of r should be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Next, divide 25 divided by 6. b is equal to 6. Okay, again 4, 4, 24, remainder 1. Next, 26 divided by 6. 4, 24, 6 fours are 24, remainder 2. Next, 27 divided by 6. Again 4, 24, 3. 7 minus 4, 3. Next, 28 divided by 6. 4, 24, 8 minus 4, 4. Next, 29 divided by 6, 4, 24, 9 minus 4, 5. Here b is equal to 6 and value of r is 1. Here again b 6 and value of r is equal to 2. r equal to, here value is 3. Here value of r is 4. b is equal to 6. Value of r is equal to 5. So we got r is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now consider next number. Here it is 29. So 30. Now 30 divided by 6. So 30 divided by, here b is 6, isn't it now? So 6. That is 5. 5, 6 are 30. 30 minus 30, 0. Okay. One more number. Next 31 divided by 6. Again 5. 5, 6 are 30. 1 minus 0, 1. Here r is equal to 0 and here r is equal to, so what 1. You can understand from this, after 5 the value of r is again repeating from 0, 1, 2, 3 etc. up to 5, isn't it now? Yes, when b is equal to 6 then the value of r should be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Next page number 7, exercise 1.1. Question number 2. Show that any positive odd integer is of the form 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5 where q is some integer. By Euclid's division lemma we have a equal to bq plus r, 0 less than or equal to r less than b. Okay. Now compare this both. That is, here it is given 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 5. Okay. And a equal to bq plus r, 6q. Isn't it now? So b is equal to 6, 6. Consider this as equation number 1 and put b is equal to 6 in equation 1. One is a is equal to bq plus r. So when b is 6, a equal to 6q plus r, 0 less than or equal to r less than b is 6. 6. That is, value of r is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now consider this as equation number 2. Next, substitute r is equal to 0 in equation 2. That is, if r is equal to 0, then a equal to 6q plus r is 0. So 6q plus 0. That is equal to 6q. Okay. 6q you can write it as 2 into 3q. That is equal to 2 into m, where m is equal to 3q. Here why did you take this 2 outside? Because here our question is to distinguish odd and even integers, isn't it now? And if we can write a number equal to 2 into something, that is here 6q, we can write it as 2 into 3q, 2 into a constant. That means what? It is divisible by 2. That is, it is an even number. So here we can say that 2m is divisible by 2. That is, it is an even. Which implies 6q is an even number. Next, consider this as equation number 3. Okay. Next, if r is equal to 1, if r is equal to 1, then a is equal to 6q plus 1. 6q plus 1. A equal to 6q plus 1, and this one you can write it as 2 into 3q plus 1, that is 2 into m plus 1, where m is equal to 3q. 2 into m. 2 into m is an even number, isn't it? An even number plus 1. An even number plus 1 is 2. 2 is an even number. 2 plus 1 is 3. An odd number, isn't it? Now that is 6. 6 is an even number. 6 plus 1, 7. So an even number plus 1 is an odd number. Which implies 6q plus 1 is an odd number. Now consider this as equation number 4. Now next, if r is equal to 2, then a equal to 6q plus 2. This one we can write it as, here 6 is an even number, 2 is also an even number. So you can take 2 outside. 3q plus 1, that is equal to 2 into m, where m is equal to 3q plus 1. 2 into m, that is, it is divisible by 2, that is, it is an even number. So you can say that 6q plus 2 is an even number, implies 6q plus 2 is an even number. Now consider this as equation number 5. Next, if r is equal to 0, 1, 2, next 3, then a is equal to 6q plus 3. That is equal to, this one you can write it as 6q plus 3, you can write it as 2 plus 1. Okay, then take, here 2 is common, so take 2 outside, that is 2 into 3q plus 1 plus 1. Okay, that is equal to 2m plus 1, where m equal to 3q plus 1. Okay, again 2 into m. 2 into m is an even number. An even number plus 1 is an odd number. This implies 6q plus 3. 6q plus 3 is an odd number. Consider this as equation number 6. Next, if r is equal to 4. Okay, substitute r is equal to 4. Equation 2, that is a is equal to 6q plus 4. A is equal to 6q plus 4. Here you can take 2 outside, that is 2 into 3q plus 2, that is equal to 2m, where m is equal to 3q plus 2. 2m, 2 into an integer, that means what? It's an even number. So 6q plus 4 is an even number. Now consider this as equation number 7. Next, if r is equal to 5, equation 2 becomes a equal to 6q plus 5. 5 we can write it as 4 plus 1, isn't it now? That is 6q plus 4 plus 1. Okay. Now 6 cube plus 4. Here 2 is common, so take it out. That is 2 into 3 cube plus 2 plus 1. That is equal to 2m plus 1, where m is equal to 3 cube plus 2. Here we got 2m plus 1. 2 into m is an even number. So an even number plus 1 is equal to an odd number. So we can say that 6 cube plus 5 is an odd number. Now consider this as equation number. Now we can see which all numbers are odd numbers and even numbers. First, equation number 3, that is 6q is an even number. So 6q is even. Next, 6q plus 1 is odd. 6q plus 1 is odd. Next, 6q plus, from equation number 5, 6q plus 2 is even number. So 6q plus 2 is even number. Next, from equation 6, 6q plus 3 is an odd number. 6q plus 3 is an odd number. Next, from equation 7, 6q plus 4 is an even number. 6q plus 4 is an even number. From equation 8, 6q plus 5 is an odd number. 6q plus 5 is an odd number. From equation 4, 6 and 8, we got 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 and 6q plus 5 as odd numbers. And also from equation 3, 5 and 7, we got 6q, 6q plus 2 and 6q plus 4 as even numbers. So we can say that positive odd integers is of the form 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 and 6q plus 5. And here our question is to show that any positive odd integer is of the form 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5 by using Euclid division lemma. Next, question number 4. Use Euclid's division lemma to show that the square of any positive integer is either of the form 3m or 3m plus 1 for some integer m. First step, let a be any positive integer and b is equal to 3. By Euclid division lemma, we have a equal to bq plus r, 0 less than or equal to r less than b. And here a be any integer and b is equal to 3. Substitute it. That is a is equal to 3q plus r, 0 less than or equal to r less than, b equal to 3. So 3. That is r is equal to 0, 1, 2. Now consider this as equation number 1. Then first r equal to 0. If r is equal to 0, substitute here. A is equal to 3q plus 0, that is equal to 3q. Here the question is to show that the square of any positive integer, and when r is equal to 0, positive integer is 3q. Now square of the positive integer, that is a square, is equal to 3q square, that is 3 into 3 is 9, q square, q square. This one we can write it as 3 into 3 is 9, isn't it? So 3 into 3q square, that is equal to 3m, where m is equal to 3q square. So here we can say that square of a positive integer, because we assumed a be any positive integer, isn't it now? So square of the positive integer a, that is a square, can be written in the form 3 into m, 3m. Okay, consider this as equation number 2. Next, substitute r is equal to 1, that is if r equal to 1 in equation number 1, isn't it now? That is 3q plus r is 1. So a is equal to 3q plus 1. Now a square is equal to 3q plus 1 whole square. What is a plus b whole square? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so a square, a is 3q, so a square is 3q whole square plus 2ab, that is 2 into a is 3q, 3q into b is 1 plus b square, that is 1 square, equal to 3 into 3, 9, q into q, q square, plus 2 into 3, 6, 6 into 1, 6q, plus 1 square is 1. Here 3 is common, isn't it? So take it out. That is 3 into 3 is 9. So 3q square plus 2 into 3 is 6. So 2q plus 1. This one we can write it as 3 into m plus 1, where m is equal to 3q square plus 2q. 3q square plus 2q. Again, square of the positive integer 3q plus 1 whole square can be written in the form 3m plus 1. Okay, consider this as equation number 3. Next, if r is equal to 2, that is substitute r is equal to 2 in equation number 1. So a is equal to 3q plus 2. A is equal to 3q plus 2. Now a square is 3q plus 2 whole square, that is equal to a square. Here a is 3q and b is 2. A square is 3q whole square plus 2ab. 2ab is 2 into a is 3q. 3q into b is 2 plus b square. b is 2, so b square is 2 square. 3q whole square, that is 3 into 3, 9q square plus 2 into 3, 6, 6 into 2, 12q plus 2 into 2, 4, equal to 9q square plus 12q. 4 you can write it as 3 plus 1. So 3 plus 1. Okay. Now consider this. 3 is common. So take it out. That is 3 into 3q square plus 3 into 4 is 12. Isn't it now? So 4q plus 1 plus 1. This one you can write it as 3m plus 1, where m equal to 3q square plus 4q plus 1. Consider this as equation number 4. So from equation number 2, 3 and 4, it is proved that square of any positive integer 3q whole square, 3q plus 1 whole square, 3 cube plus 2 whole square. Square of any positive integer is either of the form 3m or 3m plus 1. Now question number 5. Use Euclid's division lemma to show that the cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m, 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. First step, let a be any positive integer and b is equal to 3, a factor of 9. By Euclid's division lemma, we have a equal to b cube plus r, 0 less than or equal to r less than b. Okay, and here a be any positive integer and b is equal to 3. Substitute that. That is a is equal to 3 cube plus r, 0 less than or equal to r less than b is 3. Then r is equal to 0, 1 and 2. Consider this as equation number 1. First, if r is equal to 0. If r is equal to 0, equation 1 becomes a equal to 3 cube. Question is to show that cube of any positive integer. Here a be any positive integer, that is a is equal to 3 cube, and here we got a is equal to 3 cube. Now cube of any positive integer, that is a cube, that is equal to 3 cube whole cube. 3 into 3, 9. 9 into 3, 27. 27 q raised to 3. Cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m, 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 7. We can write it as 9 into 3. Isn't it, na sir? So 9 into 3 q raised to 3. This one we can write it as 9 into m, where m equal to 3 cube. Consider this as equation number 2. So here we can say that cube of the positive integer 3 cube is of the form 9m. Next, if r is equal to 1. If r is equal to 1, equation 1 becomes a equal to 3 cube plus 1. A equal to 3 cube plus 1. Now a cube is equal to 3 cube plus 1 whole cube. It is of the form a plus b whole cube, and we know that a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Here a is equal to 3 cube and b is equal to 1. Now a plus b whole cube, that is 3 cube plus 1 whole cube, is equal to a cube, that is 3 cube whole cube plus 3 into a square, that is 3q square into b is 1, plus 3 into a is 3 cube, into b square, b is 1, so b square is 1 square, plus b cube, b is 1, that is 1 cube, equal to 3q whole cube, that is 3 into 3, 9, 9 into 3, 27, 27 cube plus 3 into 3 square, 3 square is 9, 3 into 3, 9. So 3 into 9, 27 into 1 is 27 q square plus 3 into 3, 9, 1 square is 1, 9 into 1, 9 cube plus 1 cube, that is 1. The first 3 terms, 9 is common, isn't it now? So take it out, that is 9 into 3 is 27. So 3q cube plus again 3q square plus 9 into 1. So 1 cube plus 1. This one you can write it as 9m plus 1, where m is equal to 3q cube plus 3q square plus 1 cube or cube. Consider this as equation number 3. By this equation 3 we proved that cube of the positive integer 3 cube plus 1 is of the form 9m plus 1. Okay, next substitute r is equal to 2 in equation 1, that is a is equal to 3 cube plus 2, and now a cube is equal to 3 cube plus 2 whole cube equal to, here a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube, and here a equal to 3 cube and b is equal to 2. So 3 cube plus 2 whole square we can write it as a cube. A cube is 3 cube whole cube plus 3 into a square, that is 3 cube whole square into b plus 3 into ab square. A is 3 cube. 3 cube into b square, that is 2 square, plus b cube, that is 2 cube, equal to 3 cube is 27. So 27 cube plus 3 into 3 square, that is 3 into 9. 3 into 9 is 27. 27 into 2 is 54. So 54 q square plus 3 into 3 9. 9 into 4 36. 36 cube plus 2 cube is 8. Here 9 is common. So in this first 3 terms 9 is common, so take it out. That is 9 into 3 is 27. So 3q cube plus 9 into 6 is 54. So 6q square plus 36. 9 into 4 is 36. So 4q plus 8. This one you can write it as 9m plus 8, where m equal to 3q cube plus 6q square plus 4q. Equation number 4. So by equation 4 we can say that cube of the positive integer 3q plus 2 is of the form 9m plus 8. Now from equation 2, 3 and 4, it is proved that cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m, 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. If you are having any doubt in this section, please write it in the comment box, and if you like my class, please like and share it with your friends, and please don't forget to subscribe.